Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Binance to Google Authenticator. It's really quick and simple, so let's get started. So first what you have to do is click here on your avatar on the top left of your screen and go to security. And in here we want to go through the Authenticator app and enable Binance/Google Authenticator. And now we need to download the Google Authenticator app here in Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. Now let's go back to Binance once you have downloaded the Google Authenticator app and go click on the link. Here you will have the instructions on how this process would go, but let's skip the tutorial for now. And now you need to copy this because you need this when you open the Google Authenticator. So let's open Google Authenticator here. And we want to enter a setup key here, Binance. Let's add Binance here and the account name and then the key, paste it here. And there you go, it's time-based. Let's go add, and then you need to copy this. Copy. Once you have copied that, you need to go to Binance again and go on the link, and then here you need to paste the verification code. Wait, this is wrong. You need to copy here where it is being there. It is now copied to clipboard. You need to copy this and make sure to do it fast because there is time here, is a time limit before the code changes. And then you need to also receive the code from your mobile number and email, but I'm not gonna do that yet because my account here in Binance is not yet verified, but you should do it. And now you need to tap on submit and then you will be done, as easy as that. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.